Welcome to this week's Milton Keynes Council COVID-19 update. The number of cases in Milton Keynes remains low. The number of tests carried out in Milton Keynes in the past fortnight is 2,960 and the number of positive cases was 9. Our infection rate in the past week was 2.6 per 100,000 population. This is an increase on the extremely low number last week, but in line with our overall low numbers this month. The infection rate in the general population in Milton Keynes is low, and the infection rate in care homes and hospital is very low. For comparison, it is 15.7 in Bedford and 19.1 in Luton. Blackburn with Darwen Council in Lancashire has an infection rate of 87.3 per 100,000 and has had to introduce some local lockdown measures, as their number is a significant increase on last week. The risk therefore in Milton Keynes remains moderate. However, as we have seen both in nearby Luton and in places further afield, the infection rate can rise quickly. What we have learned is that COVID-19 is a highly infectious disease and is able to be transmitted quickly through the population. It is even more dangerous as many people display no symptoms but can still spread the virus. So even if you appear fit and well, it is important you follow all COVID secure guidelines, not just for your own safety, but for those around you. COVID-19 rates in Milton Keynes are low at the moment, but the risks have not gone away. COVID-19 is still here and will be for some time. Not far from Milton Keynes, there is a more challenging situation. In Luton, amenities have not reopened as they have nationally, play areas have been closed, and people have been asked to follow stricter social distancing guidelines. In Bedford, the council has made the decision to keep some leisure facilities closed. In Northampton, extra testing has been introduced and extra measures, local lockdown measures, are being considered. Therefore, I am advising if you do need to make trips to those areas, consider if they are avoidable. If you have to travel, please be extra cautious and follow all social distancing measures that are in place there. Stay strictly 2 metres apart from others, wash your hands on a regular basis, and avoid spending time indoors with those outside your social bubble. Wear a mask if you do. Also, as many of us will be travelling on holiday, please do take care to find out the situation at your destination and still follow all social distancing guidelines while you are there. Here in Milton Keynes, we have very carefully reopened some facilities, including a small number of libraries and leisure centres. Restaurants, gyms and shops have also reopened. We can all help in making sure we don't lose the progress we have made. If you are asked for your contact details when you do visit these places, please do provide them, as it ensures the track and trace system can work. If someone tests positive for COVID-19 and you've been in contact with them, public health colleagues may get in contact with you to see if you need a test or to advise you to self-isolate. I hope you have a good weekend. If you are celebrating Eid al-Adha this weekend, I wish you good health and happiness. I understand it is frustrating that celebrations cannot take place as they usually would, but it really is vital, for all the reasons we have discussed, to continue to follow the rules about gatherings and social distancing. It is still the case that the best way to keep the infection rate low is to follow social distancing and infection control measures. Stay 2 metres apart from people if you can, wash your hands on a regular basis, wear a mask or a face covering in shops, and if you have symptoms, stay home and get tested. Thank you, and until next week, stay safe and goodbye.